Hi, this is Bill for SparkyChannel.com, and this is the new Milwaukee M18 Packout Radio Plus Charger. And the first thing you're going to notice about it is the speakers. There's a speaker here, there's a speaker here, there's a speaker here, there's a great big speaker area here, there's a speaker here. And all in all, this unit has 10 speakers, so it gives you 360 surround sound. The speakers include 4 full-range speakers, 4 tweeters, a subwoofer, and a passive resonator. Now let me show you around the unit a little bit. So here's mode. Okay, we got it on AM right now, which is Bluetooth. Okay, so you change over to FM. You got 9 presets. Here's your preset button right here. So you got 9 choices for FM. Hit the mode again. You got 9 presets for AM. Turn it down a little bit. Okay, now you got equalizer right here, and here's bass. So you can change it with the arrow. Hit it again, and here's treble. So you can use the arrows to make this go up and down for treble. And okay, and here you're back to AM. Here's a clock. So you can put it on clock mode. So you can just have it on the time. Okay. And so here's Bluetooth right here, and see it's flashing right now, and it's going to stop flashing, and just there, stop flashing. That means it's just paired with my cell phone. This button right here is to help you find presets. It goes from one active channel to another. One nice thing about the unit is this big nice handle. So if you don't want to carry it in a pack-out stack, you got a nice handle, and it has the top and the bottom that will allow you to stack it with anything in a pack-out stack. And while it's stacked, all the control units and all the buttons and so forth are accessible, even if it's in the middle of a stack. So if we turn it around this way, this right here is a weatherproof compartment. Okay, and in this compartment, I have right now, it's a 5 amp hour Milwaukee M18 battery, and that's what's been running it. And this right here is a 2.1 amp charger for your cell phones and devices like that. And this cable is for auxiliary units. And you see it's got a nice area right there to store things. It's got a nice rubber seal all the way around, closes up, and it's nice and weather tight. And back here, we have a 12-inch antenna, a heavy-duty antenna that helps you get those stations. It's hard to get stations in. And you see this area right here, this is the cord, and when it's plugged in, it acts as a battery charger. So that 5 amp hour battery I have plugged in right now will charge up if I just plug this into an outlet. And right here is a bottle opener. The Bluetooth is Bluetooth 4.2, and it streams audio wirelessly from over 100 feet away. And you can see the way it's built. It's very rugged, and it is water and debris resistant. So this is a rubber overmold. You see even like the speakers have this rubber overmold top and bottom and on the sides to help protect the speakers. Even the case is pretty tough. So the whole thing is built for job sites to survive job sites. And the length is 22 inches and the width is 16.2 inches. The height is 6.77 inches and it weighs 23 pounds. In conclusion, the Packout Radio Plus Charger has great sound, convenient controls, and can be a great addition to your Packout stack. I'll put a link for the M18 Packout Radio Charger, the Packout Rolling Toolbox, the Packout Small Parts Organizer, the Electric Tool Packout, the Milwaukee Packout Dolly, and the Milwaukee Packout Crate. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.